Hello children, today I have come with the topic articles. Okay, let's start. Class 5 English Grammar, Chapter 14 is articles. Children, what are articles? Can you tell me what are articles? Everyone will start saying an article is a and the, but I am asking what is the definition of article? Children, where do we use a, an or the before a noun? Okay, so an article is a word which is used before a noun, specific or unspecific. Okay, so we can say an article is a word which is used to modify a noun as specific or unspecific. Specific means particular or unspecific means general. Let's see the example. Okay, first see the words. The words are a and the. This you know. Let's move to another slide. Children, before learning what are articles a and the, what are its uses, where to use it, let's see alphabets. Okay. Alphabets has two things. First is consonant and second is vowel. All of you know what is a vowel, which letters are used in vowel. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. Children, when I will ask question that where should we use A, E, I, O, U, or where should we use an, which article is used before a vowel, etc. So you will say that an is used before A, E, I, O, U, but it is wrong. We should never say like this. We should say that an is used before a word whose letter starts with the sound of a vowel. Okay, like A, E, I, O, U. I will show you examples also. Okay, where vowel sound comes, A, E, I, O, U, there we use an. Sound matters. Consonant, rest of the word except this are consonant, where we use a or the. Okay, there are two types of articles, children, definite or indefinite. See here, definite means the, where we have to use the, where we are using particular noun. Okay, and indefinite where we use a or an with unspecific noun, with common noun, or you can say singular noun, and here we use with proper noun or plural noun. Fine. So let's see what is indefinite article. Just now we have read what is indefinite article, a or an. A or an is used to talk about things which are not particular, means which are not specific. Fine, it is common or singular. Usually, these are things that haven't been mentioned before, means we are using it for the first time, or that the listener is unfamiliar with, means listener doesn't know about the thing. Now see what is the rule. Uses is on the basis of sound. Yes, just now I have told you. Okay, sound matters. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. And consonant letters, just now we have seen, except A, E, I, O, U, all are consonant. Let's see the examples also. A boy, a cat, a dog, a fight, a gym, a horse, a joke, a kite, a lion, a mirror, etc. And children, where do we use an? An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. So vowel letters in the English alphabet are A, E, I, O, U. Examples: an apple, an elephant, an idiot, an orange, an umbrella. Children, can you see? Apple, A sound is coming. Elephant, E sound is coming. Idiot. Yes, it's very simple to identify as A, E, I, O, U is written here. So you will say that, ma'am, A, E, I, O, U is written. So it is, we have to use an. Okay, I will explain you through more examples. Let us see first definite article, the. The is used to give information about particular or known nouns. Okay, known nouns means we know about that noun or person or any place. Fine. Children, the we use with plural nouns also. We will see in the examples. Use of the in case of count. Count means countable, and non-count. Non-count means uncountable nouns. The can be either be used with non-count nouns, means uncountable, or the article can be omitted entirely, no need of putting the. For example, she liked to sail over the water. Here some specific body of water is being talked about, means suppose we are talking about particular body, the Ganga, the Yamuna, fine. But when we are talking about any water, okay, general, she like to sail over water. So here no particular water is being talked about, so it can refer to any water, fine. Now, what are the rules for articles, children? Yes, in grammar, it's very important to follow the rules. Otherwise, your sentence will be grammatically wrong. First one, the articles a and an are used only with singular nouns. Yes, like a cat, a boy, an orange, an umbrella. Okay, we are talking about only one. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant or which gives consonant sound. An is used before a word that begins with a vowel or vowel sound like A, E, I, O. The can be used before singular or plural noun, both, children. Singular when we are talking about the same thing again, or when we are talking about some particular thing. Then let's see next. A, an. What, children, what is the difference between a or a and an? We know that it is indefinite article, but maybe there are some differences. Let's see. A and an have the same meaning. Why? Because they are used with singular noun, okay, and they both are indefinite articles. The differences depends on the sound at the beginning of the next word. Yes, a we use with consonant sound and we use with vowel sound. Let's see. When the next word starts with a consonant sound, a is used, and when the next word starts with a vowel sound, we use an. For example, a book, a car, a dog, a frog, a lemon, a truck, an apple, an egg, an insect, an orange, an umbrella, an actor. Children, can you see the first letters are underlined here? Why? Because it is showing that they are consonant and these are vowels. But be careful, the sound of the letter is important. Now, before only I have told you sound matters. So let's see how. A house. H is consonant. So we have written a. But an R. Again H is given here. But why we are using an? Because R. We are saying R. O sound is coming. See. The H at the beginning of R is silent. H is silent and the sound is coming of O. And O is vowel. Okay. So, an R. An uncle. Children, you will say U is vowel. So, we have used an. But what about a university? Okay. So, university. Children, the U at the beginning of university sounds like U. And Y is consonant, so we have used a. This rule applies to all words after a or an, including adjectives, adverbs. For example, a cold lady, children. Sorry, a cold day, children. This is adjective, okay. It doesn't matter it is adjective or adverb. We have to take care of articles here. So, a cold day, a very lazy person, an easy lesson, an interesting class. So can you see E and I are vowels? So we have used an. Okay, now we will learn some basic rules about articles. First, we use a or an when we mention someone or something for the first time. But if it has been mentioned before, okay, then we use the. See the example. I saw a beautiful girl in the market. Children, we don't know which girl we are talking about. I am talking about any girl. Okay, the girl was very beautiful. So I said I saw a girl in the market. Now when I will talk about the same girl again, then I will write the girl was in the red dress. Next, we don't use an article to speak in general with plural and uncountable nouns, but we use an article to speak in particular for the same. Let's see how. Suppose I am writing what is precious for us. Okay, it's not proper here. Okay, like lead. Okay, it's very precious. Okay, air is very important for us here. So here we will not read the, but suppose when we are talking about some particular water, okay, like I will say we get wood from the tree. Okay, which wood? Any wood. We are not talking about any particular wood, but when we will talk about the same thing again, then we will use the. For example, the water in the lake is cold. We are talking about particular water. Okay, the wood used in the furniture is of good quality. We are talking about particular wood. Okay, so when we will talk about some particular thing, then we will use the. Okay, let's see another slide. What's given in another slide? Some more rules are there, children. We should use the in front of plural countable nouns like vegetables, cats, etc. Like, okay, children, it should be, we should not use the, okay, in front of plural countable nouns. Like, I love to eat vegetables and drink milk. Cats of clouds. Okay, not is omitted here. Okay, but you have to write here, we should not use the. Okay, singular countable nouns, milk, gold, etc. Like gold is expensive. Here also we will not use the, only gold is expensive. But suppose I'm talking about particular gold, then we will write the. Milk is good for health. We do not use articles with games and sports like, I like cricket. I will not say I like the cricket, I like the football. Okay, swimming is a good exercise. Some countable nouns are not used with articles in certain situations. Instead, they are used with preposition like, he is not at home now. We will not write he is not at the home now. Okay, it's wrong. Are you in a school? Okay, that's all, children. Please revise it thoroughly so that you will understand. That's all, children. Thank you.